Hello, hello, my crafty friends. I am so excited to show you guys this unboxing, which I was trying to get it at the right height, but let's see, I'm going to pull out here and let's see if that makes it a little easier to see. Oh, yes. Okay, and you can see my other hidden gems off to the side here. Excuse me. So that's about the best the best out I can get this at the moment. So hopefully it will hold up for us. But I wanted to show you guys the unboxing of, I'm so excited, my PPP, which stands for Product Purchase Pre-Order. So we get to order early as Stampin' Up! Demonstrators. And I just recently attended the Onstage live event. So with that event, we get to see the new catalog a little bit early, and it's super exciting. And we get to watch all these fun stamping events, and Pat Benatar actually played for us. Yes, it was on Zoom, but it was awesome. Closest I'm ever going to get to a concert in this lifetime, but so anyhow, here we go. I'm so excited. To be honest, I kind of remember, but I don't remember everything. So I love how Stampin' Up! Really makes sure to package stuff for us. Well, clearly these things were packaged well. And yeah, we don't have to worry about that getting damaged. So very exciting. And then here's my list of what is in here. So I did order a couple other items that I needed for an upcoming class. So those are in there, but here are some of the nifty things. So there's the amazing project kit, and we'll do a video on that another time. And we have some dies in here. Oh, what's that? Look at this stamp set. I'm so excited. So excited, you guys, for the succulents. Living out here in Arizona, it's all about the succulents. So very, very excited. I hope you guys can see that because I'm down here on the ground. Yeah, okay. So yeah, super excited. And then this is one of the Sale-A-Bration stamp sets that you guys are going to have a chance to earn. And we had to earn it the same way. So when you spend $50, you get to pick from one of the Sale-A-Bration items, and there's some stamp sets and there's some gorgeous paper, so super excited. Oh, and then these are the dies, the potted succulents dies that go with the stamp set, the succulents. Check this out, you guys. I'm so excited. Okay, watch. Look, handsomely suited. It's bow ties and ties. I couldn't be happier. So I'm super, super, uber excited about this. And the dies that go with this, you guys, you can make suits, you can make vests, you can make tuxedos, you can make doctor's coats, you can make, oh my gosh, there's so many things you can make. It's super, super exciting. I cannot wait to play with this set. I'm so excited. Okay, and then look what we have. Ah! I literally legitimately screamed when I saw these. I'm so beyond excited. So we have blending brushes. I'm gonna open these right now because I was so excited for these. Okay, here it is. Ah, I'm ripping it open. I don't even care, I'm so excited. Oh, it's so smooth. They're so soft. So I'm trying to remember, you guys are facing one way and I'm sitting another, but I am so excited. These are nice and soft and it's rounded. So I think we're gonna get some amazing blending with these brushes. You guys, I'm like, I don't even know what to do with myself. I'm so excited. Okay. And then check it out. Okay. So this was a gift for one of my downline who did their first 300 in sales. Yay, them. Super excited. So that was a gift she got. This is some ribbon for, this isn't new. This isn't our current catalog, but I am ecstatic because this is new to me. So we're working with this for a class this month in November. And then this is an embossing folder again I got. Now I can't show you what's on the inside, but the sale goes live the 5th of January. Yay, how exciting. Sale-A-Bration starts. I can't wait, you guys. Okay, so there's that. Here is some of the gorgeous ombre paper that is going to be in the Sale-A-Bration catalog. Wow, this is huge. Oh my gosh, this is, I don't know why this just seems so much bigger. Guys, I can't even control myself. You see there's 2 packs of these, right? We're totally gonna be doing something because I'm super excited. Okay, yay, I'm so excited. Okay, and this is some ribbon. This is in the current catalog, so you can go check that out on the ribbons page, but we're going to be using this coupled with, excited. You guys, oh my gosh. Okay, I knew this paper was gorgeous, but like now I have it in my hands and it's gorgeous. It's just gorgeous. The colors are stunning. Stampin' Up just blows me away. Every time I'm like, nah, I don't need that paper. I can get away without it. I can live without it. I promise I can live without. No, I can't. I totally can't. And then these are the frosted clear epoxy droplets. I'm really excited because I want to create something with these, and I'll have to show you guys that later. Here is some new baker's twine, and this is the thinner baker's twine. That's my favorite personal one to work with. I'm not as fond of the thicker baker's twine, but the thin stuff I love. Love, 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 love. Guys, more masculine paper. I can't break this open right now, I don't think, so I'll have to double check on that. But it's not all plaids. Let me just tell you that. I think there's some paisley prints. There's some like striped pinsuit type prints in here. It's incredible. It just, I can't wait. I can't wait to show you guys all of this. And then I was down low to almost non-existent on cardstock in certain colors, so I had to pick some more of that up. Here it is. The new mini catalog. You guys, look at that cover. I hope you can see that. It is absolutely gorgeous. And you see there's gilding flakes. I'm telling you, it's craziness. It's super exciting. And I hope you can see that. Okay, I can't show you the inside, but January 5th, this catalog will go live, so stay posted. Okay, you guys. Oh, and there's the back. Look at that. Oh, it's so yummy. Okay, you guys, I can't contain myself any longer. So I am gonna say bye, and I'm gonna get to work creating beautiful projects for you guys and classes that we're gonna get to do in this upcoming January through June mini catalog period. Yay, can't believe it. Okay guys, see you soon. Bye.